Imagine an office building bigger than anything ever built. India just constructed a gigantic new workspace that broke the record for world's largest. In this video, we'll show you who it's for, why India took on this massive project, how engineers built something so huge, and what makes it so futuristic. Get ready for the surprises inside India's record-shattering mega office. The western Indian city of Surat has been the world's diamond-cutting capital for ages. Over 90% of all diamonds on jewelry store shelves get cut and polished right here in Surat's tiny workshops. But with thousands of little stores spread all over town, Surat's diamond industry has become inefficient. Diamonds move back and forth constantly between cutters, polishers, middlemen. This fragmented system made regulation tricky. Finally, Surat's top 5,000 diamond companies had enough. These CEOs joined up to form the Surat Diamond Bourse. Their big innovation centralized the entire diamond industry across Surat in one giant office headquarters. No more workshops scattered everywhere or fragmented shipping of gems. Just one mega campus with all diamond operations under one roof. Trading, cutting, polishing, everything. This boosted security, made transport easier, helped coordinate all players. It was a bold vision to consolidate an ancient industry spreading across a city. But Surat's diamond bosses saw how streamlining their glittery operations could sparkle more profits and innovation. First step, they must construct a megastructure custom designed to house every aspect of the diamond trade, with room for over 70,000 industry workers. An ambitious idea, but one sparkling with potential. Architects considered a towering skyscraper. However, forcing endless employees through a single vertical entry would cause frustrating bottlenecks. Instead, maybe a sprawling campus-style complex? The issue here was inconsistent lighting. Diamond grading relies on precise color perception, difficult with variable indoor light. Clearly, this dazzling headquarters required a custom solution addressing unique needs. Optimized traffic flow to avoid gridlock. Consistent lighting meeting diamond grading standards. Climate adaptations for Surat's sweltering humidity. Stumped architects found biological inspiration in the spine. Mimicking its efficient nerve signal transfer, they designed a central vertebrae channel. Flanking this streamlined core, 9 diamond inspection towers, carefully calibrated for identical sunlight exposure on every level. Open-air courtyards throughout the spine enable ventilation while providing communal hangout plazas where deals can happen with a handshake. The result? A slender snaking silhouette ideal for dense circulation, with towers strategically positioned for optimal grading light. This glittering vertebrae masterpiece consolidated India's diamond realm into one efficient hub. Construction on this behemoth structure officially commenced in 2017. What followed was an intricate 4.5-year build employing 6,000 laborers working tirelessly. A project of unparalleled scale, the sheer materials required were staggering. Tons of steel to circle the globe, glass panes covering over 160 pools. Procuring such volumes grew even more complex as COVID turmoil disrupted global supply chains. So managers ingeniously pivoted, scouring locally within 500 km for concrete, steel, and other essentials. But one material remained elusive: specialized extra clear glass vital for the diamond viewing towers. With no local source available, builders took charge, assembling an on-site glass manufacturing plant to produce made-to-order panels. Innovative solutions like this in-house glass factory enabled the monumental construction to progress despite pandemic obstacles. The unique vertebrae-shaped layout also complicated things. Complex diagonal engineering was required to connect the central channel and radiating towers. Modern methods like 3D printing assisted intricate framing, but much assembly was done through old-fashioned manual fabrication, crews strategically snaking beams out from the core. Finally, this pioneering development was complete. Developers delivered the largest workspace ever built, a superlative corporate capital housing India's consolidated diamond realm under one impenetrable roof. India's record-breaking headquarters houses much more than just offices. This mixed-use marvel is a mini-city catering to every need of 70,000 diamond traders and cutters. Inside, you'll find dining, shopping, gathering spaces, and even conference halls, perfect for both high-level gem dealings or just grabbing coffee with suppliers. Security is paramount for protecting these precious commodities, so designers embedded state-of-the-art features like biometric access control, round-the-clock surveillance, and armored car bays. But strangely, you'll also discover public-style plazas throughout the complex, almost resembling a town square. This is very intentional for facilitating the unique way diamond deals have been sealed for centuries, with informal handshakes and paper contracts. So amidst all the security and technology, these open communal spots retain the traditional social atmosphere vital to how Surat's diamond realm has always thrived. It's a fusion space catapulting an ancient industry into a slick, modern working world while preserving cultural norms. This means despite seismic shifts in workplace design, this Indian complex upholds enduring community values about business done face-to-face. And the sheer size of this campus makes it a beacon of pride for Surat's residents. Locals admire the structure not just as an economic engine, but also as an embodiment of innovation and excitement for their city's possibilities. It's now an architectural landmark and symbol of how streamlining an age-old industry promises to make Surat sparkle even brighter on the world stage. India's record-breaking diamond campus is only phase one of an even grander vision, a future dream city complex spanning 7 square kilometers. This dazzling urban district aims to consolidate Surat's entire gem supply chain, from cutting to trading to shipping. Bedazzling, right? Yet clouds are forming over Surat's glittery horizon. The global recession coupled with ripples from Russia's invasion of Ukraine slowed luxury spending. Diamond sales dropped, which hit Surat's workshops hard. Over 20,000 diamond artisans lost jobs in recent months as orders declined. All those vacant desks don't bode well for an office built to accommodate 70,000 workers. Yet despite the rocky economics, this architectural marvel seems to take on a life of its own. The sheer audacity of its record-setting scope has captured public imagination. Surat sees a surge of architectural tourism, with Indians traveling just to gawk at the magnificent structure. It's also inspiring Surat's next generation, who previously saw modest career options beyond small family diamond workshops. Now youth dream of being engineers who can construct innovations like this. The mega campus demonstrates the heights Surat could reach by thinking boldly. It reflects a determination for both business owners and builders to make their city a true diamond district showpiece. Critics argue such lavish investment in physical infrastructure is unwise given market uncertainty. Private developers counter that long-term faith in Surat's potential will pay economic dividends. Yet with vacant towers in the short term, it raises real questions. Can Surat's workforce rebound to fill this grand campus? Or will recession forces leave parts of this trophy building disturbingly empty? Optimists believe consolidation under one dazzling roof will make Surat's gem industry more anti-fragile in facing future volatility. The efficiency boost when supply chains operate on one unified campus could accelerate recovery, they argue. Only time will tell whether India's sparkling new structure proves to be a smart investment or a cautionary example of putting buildings before people. For now, it stands towering as an homage to Indian ingenuity and Surat's abiding confidence in diamonds being forever. Even amidst uncertainty, this glistening beacon beams Surat's timeless ambition.